What's up, guys? Finally, Taeyeon is back with a new comeback single, Rain, and it's for the MSM station project thing. I don't know. But yeah, it's just a new solo song. Finally, it's only been a few months, but and I've only just recovered from that freaking slayed, and it is one of my favorite songs like ever. So this should got high expectations. It sounds freaking awesome so far. Let's check it out. Taeyeon, Rain. Let's do this. All right. Stuff. Oh my god, there's Taeyeon. Yeah. Oh god. Whoa. Taeyeon's feet. God. She sounds freaking awesome. Pouring water into the fishbowl. I love her short hair as well. Her vocals freaking slaying. Okay, chill now. In the rain. I'm loving this black and white area. God. God's tail is sick. She's freaking slaying my life visually and vocally. Like, wow. God, her eyes. She's so beautiful, seriously. In the rain. Wow, I think she's coming to life in rain form, alright? God. She sounds so good. Seriously, wow. Got a book in the water. Everything's coming with colour. In the rain. Oh my god, I love this so much. Yes. Yes, Taeyeon, yes. Freaking slay. Wow. Wow. Okay, so that was Taeyeon Rain, and wow. She has slayed my life once again. What an amazing song. The video itself, long chopping in the video itself, basically just Taeyeon in the same area, there's just still one area singing in black and white. But visually, looks amazing. The video looked amazing with all the different rain things and water and stuff. Her style looked amazing. Oh my god, her voice is like the best thing ever. Wow. I can't wait to watch it again like a million more times because it's gonna be amazing. Wow, Taeyeon. Her voice is just incredible. It's like, wow, seriously. Wow. Freaking slay my life once again. Taeyeon Rain. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.